Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Guide. That is my Twitter, TikTok, and podcast. All the links are down below. My paid coaching email is down below and all timestamps are down below. And today I'm going to give you guys a video on self-concept affirmations, because every video I make, I usually do like a little rampage, a mini rampage in there. And everybody's always like, oh my god, I love those affirmations. Make a little video on self-concept affirmations. So here's my thing. I think that receiving affirmations from me is going to be a little different than you repeating them. Like, it's different for you to say, oh, I'm beautiful, versus me saying, you're the most beautiful person on this planet. You do not let another person tell you how beautiful you are. You are so sexy. Everybody wants you in every room you walk into. Like, it's going to be a different vibe. So if you just want to listen to this video and come back to it whenever you need to pick me up, you don't necessarily have to like memorize these or make these your affirmations. This is just, do whatever you want. I'm just giving y'all some suggestions. So I'm just going to get right into it. You are the operant power of your reality. Nobody is going to come into your reality and tell you who you are, what you can have, what you can be, and what you can do. You decide. You are in control, nobody else. You are the main character, nobody else. There is nobody else that can stop you from getting what you want. This is your world, and you always get what you want. You are not losing in a reality that you're in control of. Everything is always working out for you. Everything is always working out for you. Everything is always working out for you. The day nothing is working out for you is the day you're not existing on this planet anymore. As long as you are living and breathing, you are getting what you want. There is nothing to doubt. There is nothing to give up on. Your desires are yours. Everybody in the world wants you. You are wanted. You are chosen. You are adored. You are irresistible. You are magnetic. You are wealthy. You are successful. You are abundant in everything that you do. Everything that you do, you always get paid. Everything that you do, you come out in first place. You are the prize. You are the best. You are the best. You are the best. You are the main character. You're not losing in your own TV show. You are not losing in your own reality. You are not losing in your own movie. You are in control of it all. You always get what you want because you said so. You're getting what you want because you said so. You're getting your desires because you said so. Your desires have your name stamped on them. There is no circumstance greater than you. There is no circumstance greater than you. You are in control of all the circumstances. Everybody's you pushed out. Nobody has free will. Nobody can go against what you say. You're getting what you want because you said so. You're deciding right now that you're the best because you are. You're a winner. You're first best. You're the best. You're a winner, you're first best. You're a winner, you're first best. There are no circumstances greater than your mind. As long as you see in here, it exists. It exists, so you're having it. You're doing no work. You always get your manifestations easily and effortlessly. You get everything you want easily and effortlessly. If you want it, you got it. If you want it, you're going to have it. You're going to have it because you said so. You don't deserve to struggle. You don't deserve to hate life. You don't deserve to not have what you want. You're getting what you want because you deserve it. You deserve it because you're the most handsome. You're the most beautiful. You're the most pretty. You're the most wanted. You're the most chosen. You're everybody's top pick. You're not a second option. You're option number one. There are no options because you are the prize, and that's all. Everybody wants you in their life. Everybody wants you around. Everybody loves your energy. Your energy is magnetic and irresistible. Your energy is magnetic and irresistible. Nobody even compares to you. Let there be nobody in your reality that comes in and makes you doubt your power. Your power is limitless. You are limitless. You are powerful. You are getting all that you want, and you don't have to ask for it. You don't have to beg. You are deciding right now that you're taking no losses. You're taking no zeros. You're taking no no's. It's always yes. It's always you win. It's always I want to please you. People exist to please you. People exist to give you what you want. Nobody in this world will be satisfied until you get what you want. You are getting what you want. You are disciplined. You own it. You got it. You're so amazing at manifesting. You're such a powerful manifester. You always get what you want. You're so good at this. You wake up every day ready for the day. You wake up every day eager. You wake up every day in a new timeline. You wake up every day in a new reality. You're only existing in the new reality. The old story is the old you. You always get what you want. In your new reality, you have it all. In the reality you're in right now, you have it all. In the reality you're in right now, you are so adored. You are so famous. Everybody is so obsessed with you. You smell amazing. You look amazing. You taste amazing. You look so bomb right now. You look so good. Your outfit's amazing. Your face is amazing. Your skin is clear. Your hair is healthy. Your body's healthy. You feel great. You've never felt this good in your life. You are so ready for anything the world throws at you, because every circumstance in the world is powerless whenever you step in your power. You are sitting in your power. You're sitting on the throne. You're back in the castle. You are the goddess, the god, the king, the queen of this reality, because you own it all. Your life is so good. Your life is so amazing. You love the way life shows up for you. You love the way life shows up for you. Life shows up for you in the ways that are most favorable. Life shows up for you in such amazing ways. Life is unfolding perfectly for you. This is your life. Your life is amazing. Your life is chosen. Your life is wanted. Your life is beautiful. Your life is great. Your life is abundant. Your life is happy. Your life is full of peace. Your mental health is at the best place it's ever been in your whole life. Your physical health, your spiritual health, your energetic health, your emotional health, the best places they have ever been in your entire life, because you are finally free. You have no issues. Your financial issues have been cleared. Your mental issues have been cleared. Your physical issues have been cleared. Your health issues have been cleared. You are radiant. You are abundant. You are beautiful. You are living the most amazing, fun-filled life. You are so youthful. You are so beautiful. You are so happy. You are so amazing. That is all I have for you guys today. I came with those off the top of my head, so I tried to not make them repetitive, but you are getting it all because you said so. You're getting it all because you want it. You're getting it all because you deserve it. You already have it. You already have it. You already have it. You are so good. You're too good for this world. You are too good for this world. You're number one. You're chosen. You're wanted. You're special. You're adored. You're magnetic. You're irresistible. Keep going. Keep saying it. You have nothing to give up on. It is just a reflection of you. It is already you. You are the money. You are the wealth. You are with your specific person. You are the best child your parents have. You are your parents' favorite. You're your grandparents' favorite. You're everybody's favorite. Everybody wants you in their life. You are so amazing. And with that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing is too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.